Welcome to the recorded demo video of Municipal Trade License Management System for Jan Suvidha Kendra. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the admin login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting admin login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the trade module from the available options. Upon selecting the trade module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the trade home page on the JSK dashboard. The JSK dashboard provides an overview of application and collection summaries, along with options for related actions on the trade home page. These include total applications, collection performance such as today's collection, collection this week, collection this month, collection this year. Additionally, a chart is provided for user convenience to view the collection performance of new license, renewal, amendment, and surrender applications. To apply for a new license, proceed by selecting the Trade Apply option on the dashboard. After selecting Trade Apply, the user will be redirected to the Trade License Application form. In Step 1, the user must fill in all the required basic details about the business in the registration form, including apply with firm type, premises owner type, category type ID. After completing basic details, click the Save and Next button to proceed. In this step, the user must complete the registration form by providing all the required details about the firm, including holding number. Upon entering the holding details, fields such as business address, owner of business premises, PIN code will be automatically filled. The user must then fill in the remaining details. Ward number, new ward number, total area in square feet, firm name, firm establishment date, landmark, business description, nature of business. After completing the firm details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 3, the user must fill in all the required details about the owner in the registration form, including owner name, guardian name, mobile number, email address. After completing the owner details, confirm the owner information by clicking the relevant button. The owner details will be displayed along with options to cancel or delete the information. Review the owner details carefully, then proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 4, the user must fill in the required license details in the registration form. After selecting the license duration, the charge applied, penalty, denial or arrears amount, and total charges are automatically filled in. For payment, select the payment mode, and then proceed by clicking the Submit button. The user will be prompted for confirmation. Click the OK button to confirm. A confirmation message will be displayed indicating that the application has been successfully submitted, along with the generated application number. Options for viewing the payment receipt and application will also be provided. To view the payment receipt, click the corresponding option. The generated payment receipt will be displayed. To view the complete application details, click the View Application option. The complete application details will be displayed. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.